This is the elevator at the Prince of Wales Hotel, Niagara-On-The-Lake, Ontario, Canada. It's a US. Let's go down to B. This is an Otis button. Watch the button go out. Actually, the indicator. No fire service. There's your certificate. Oh, it opens up over here. Let's get out and ring the bell. That one works. 3. This is a ThyssenKrupp button. Stopping at G. Hi, what floor are we going to?
3, please.
Bye, have a good day.
Thanks, you too.
Ring the bell. Very quiet. Let's get a cab view. It's a nice elevator. No phone. Hope I don't get stuck in here. Probably won't. There's your shaft. Let's ring the bell. You can barely hear it.